Will Block 1 and Block 2 region of West Karbi Anglong included under the state of Meghalaya? ASDC, KSA, KNCA, ASDC-YF staged a protest at Ru Samson Singing Memorial Park, reiterated the demand for quick implementation of Article 244A. The elected Board of Directors BOD for Jaipong Lems Cooperative Society felicitated at Jaipong.
Grab the biggest opportunity. The Golden Wings presents 2nd Karbi Anglong Fashion Week 2022. Both for male, female, misses, teen and kids. Promoting our local behavior and tourism. Required height, male 5.5 and female 5.3 professional. Dress code for preliminary auditions. Denim blue jeans and white t-shirt. Pencil heels compulsory for female preliminary auditions call. Dipu, Denarong, Wolongkomaji, Japrajan, Hanjanglangso, Hamren, Dongka, Kaziranga, Umrangso, Haflong, Chokihola and Hawarkehat. For further details, please contact 60032 93958.
Hello and welcome to Karbi Anglong Live English Prime Time with Julie Baby. Now the news and details. On 29 March 2022, a Memorandum of Understanding MOU was signed to resolve the interstate border dispute between the Government of Assam and the Government of Meghalaya in presence of Union Home Minister Amit Shah. Likewise, on 21st August, the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, and Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Conrad K. Sangma, met at a bilateral meet held at Guwahati to bring out the final solution and resolve the long-standing interstate border disputes between Assam and Meghalaya. As per the reports, there are 12 disputed areas in Assam, Meghalaya bordering region, out of which 6 disputed areas would be resolved in the first phase. Conrad K. Sangma informed that 6 disputed areas would be taken up in the second phase, and within the next 15 days, the state government would set up 3 regional committees to overview their respective districts, and the cabinet from the respective states would be the chairperson of the committee. Since Karbi Anglong also has their own district council, Karbi Anglong also would be part of the regional committee. Once the committee is formed, site visits, consultations with the public and stakeholders would be initiated. In the second phase, the remaining 6 disputed interstate bordering regions including Khanduli and NCR, Block 1 and Block 2, Bordwar, Nongwa, Mautamur and Des Dumuria would be taken up. As a goodwill gesture and as a confidence-building measure between the people and the government, both the chief ministers would take a field visit in a very sensitive regions like Block 1 and Block 2 region of West Karbi Anglong.
We also decided that since the Karbi Anglong District Council is there in Block 1 and Block 2 and Khanduli and Pisia, that members from the District Council of the Karbi Anglong will also be part of these committees.
Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, while briefing the media, informed that the regional committee formed by the Meghalaya government would be headed by any of the cabinet rank minister for all the 3 districts falling under the disputed areas. Likewise, the Assam Regional Committee, a cabinet rank minister would be heading the committee, and a delegation from the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council would also be present to resolve the interstate border dispute in the 3 districts.
We have also decided that as a goodwill gesture and a public confidence building measure, the Honorable Chief Minister of Assam and myself will be making visits to certain important locations like Block 1 and Block 2 in order to give the confidence to the people that both the state governments are committed and are serious to find a permanent solution,
which will be headed by a cabinet minister from Assam for the Assam Regional Committee, and from Meghalaya, 1 cabinet minister against 1 district or 1 regional committee, and that committee will be notified by the government of Meghalaya. Within 15 days, government of Assam will notify our 3 regional committee, and Of course, Government of Meghalaya will also notify the regional committees of their side within next 15 days.
Both the chief ministers of the state are committed to resolve the border dispute. Chief Minister of Assam also look forward to Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to help the state government of Assam in resolving the interstate border dispute. Hence, the presentation from Karbi Anglong would also be included in Assam Regional Committee. NewsX report for Karbi Anglong Live. Due to unceasing procrastination of implementing Article 244A of the Indian Constitution, which was the long-standing demand of the people of Karbi Anglong, ASDC, KSA, KNCA and ASDC-YF jointly organized a sit-in demonstration at Ru Samson Singh Memorial Park, Dipu, to reiterate the demand for the quick implementation of Article 244A of the Indian Constitution. The demand for the implementation of Article 244A by ASDC, KSA, KNCA, ASDC-YF and the people of Karbi Anglong in general had been continuously raising their voice every year since the last 4 decades. To implement Article 244A as per the Constitution of India, a memorandum had been submitted to Prime Minister of India Narendra Modi and Home Minister of India Amit Shah. ASDC activists, while speaking to us, spoke about the deceiving nature of the ruling government. The recent visit of Home Minister Amit Shah and Prime Minister Narendra Modi to Karbi Anglong is a live example to it. They visited our district, yet not even a single word related to autonomous state was uttered during their speech.
India Prime Minister Home Minister Narendra Modi Amit Shah nitum pini memorandum tan nitum samiji lasin nitum han labaso India Constitution lang na topidak Article 244A labang na pachong pini prabnang ji lasin India Sarkar ili tuman jasmit pet nagachong thui abatay apong so ilitum theklong lo ilitum lasi ilitum ta non bangke Karbi khai mate Karbi rata ilitum imek prang na po jasmit pet nili kachuniri kantu.
Therefore, it is time for the citizens of Karbi Anglong to be conscious and come forward together for the statehood movement.
1986 ane kana sun prupsi itu hime jangre Karbi tu si ini ani ifu town ke pamat tu si jasme pet ke ilitum matha nai chine lain lo ahok pe dalam ka thepilam ke la chota kalilan amithang mata chiningilo kidam tang anita EFCC zone hamprek hang chot bo 1987 ka chong ke EFCC chot makala lita ningjilo uliram no handa.
NewsX report, Karbi Anglong Live. VDC Chairman and BJP Mandal Committee felicitated all the elected Board of Directors (BOD) for Jaipong Lamps Cooperative Society on 22nd August at Jaipong under Langhin constituency. The felicitation ceremony was started at around 2 p.m. at Jaipong Lamps Cooperative Society office premises. The event was chaired by Sunil Kumar Boro, President of BJP Mandal Committee. The objection of the event and introduction of the guests was briefed by Bita Singh Ingti. Bir Singh Timong, Chairman of Langhin VDC, Sunil Kumar Boro, President of BJP Mandal Committee, Sarthe Singh Rongpi, General Secretary of BJP Mandal Committee, Krishna Mohan Basumatari, Secretary of BJP Mandal Committee, Sam Singh Rongpi, President of Kisan Morcha, Long Singh Hanse, President of Karbi Lameramai, Ram Singh Terang, Secretary of Karbi Lameramai, and many notable dignitaries from Langhin attended the event. Recently elected Board of Director Men Singh Terong and Mon Singh Timong, who contested the election without any political background, marched with BJP on this occasion, and the duo ensured to work with the party cooperatively from the days to come. It was reported that the duo were compelled to contest the election independently as both of them could not attain a party ticket from the BJP. Sarpang Rintes report from Langhin for Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a great day.